Hey girls and guys, it is Zaira from ZaiLetsPlay, and today we are back with another slime DIY. So recently I went to the 99-cent store and I saw these little slime kits and I was like, oh, come on, there's no way these are gonna work. I bought like a $20 slime kit and it was a pain to figure out how it worked, but finally we managed to get it to work. So I was like, I wonder how good these are. So I decided to buy two of them. I got one in green and like a purpley-ish blue, and I was like, let's see how good they are. Because if they work, they're only 99 cents. It already has the glue, it already has the activator, so it's perfect. So I also wanted to try out some experiments and see, if we could create some more slime. So I bought some shaving cream so we could try to make some fluffy slime, and I wanted to see how good the activator actually is. So I also bought just some regular dollar store glue to see if the activator actually works with all glues, or is it just the glue in this little package. So today I have a little mixing spoon and I have my little containers. So let's get right into it. So here we go. We're gonna start off with this green one right here, and we're gonna make sure we don't tear the back because we don't want to lose the instructions. So here we go. But actually the instructions are quite straightforward. They're really easy to follow. It just says you pour the glue into a bowl, and then you have to ask an adult to cut the activator right here for you. And then you continue to add the activator and you mix it until you get your slime. So let me grab my container right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna twist it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour it all out. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Whoa, that's like this really cool neon pinkish color. It is so weird looking. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna close this up, put this to the side. Here we have our glue. Now I'm gonna grab my scissors and how easy is it? Oh, you have to take the cap off first. All right. And then that's the little part you cut off. All right, that cuts quite easily. So we're gonna start off with just a little bit of activator. There we go. And then we're gonna start mixing it up and see what happens. See if it starts turning into slime. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's definitely working. You could tell because it's already getting kind of clumpy and stuff. So this is a good sign. Let's add a little bit more. I don't like my slime to be too sticky. Everyone likes their slime different ways, but this is definitely turning into the good stuff. Yes, and I love this color. It looks like it would glow in the dark, but I doubt it. So I'm gonna keep adding some more. It's starting to get to that consistency. Let's add quite a bit. Another thing I want to see is if we have any activator left over. So you get quite a good size. So it'd be kind of cool if you get this for $1 and you have some activator left. That would be quite awesome. All right, yep, it's definitely turning into slime. I don't like mixing it with my hand too much, but I always find that that works the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit more activator in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab, oh my gosh, it feels so gross. So here we go. It's definitely turning into slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ew, ew, ew. This was a bad idea. Oh no. Okay, I need more activator. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's getting everywhere. This is bad. This is very bad. I should not have done this. Okay, now it's starting to get better. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spend some time doing this to get it into the consistency that I want. So here is an update on my slime situation. So I personally like to add quite a bit of activator. So I probably used about half of the bottle, maybe a little less than half I probably used. And this is the consistency of the slime I like. I like it to be stretchy, but not like too stretchy or too runny or anything. And I love the way this one sounds. I don't know why, I just love the way it sounds and mixing it together and stuff. So this is perfect. To me, this is a success, and it was way easier to make than the last slime kit that I had. So what I want to do now is, here is the first one. This is the green one. As you can see, we have some activator left. So what I want to do now is I want to try making some fluffy slime. So I've never made fluffy slime before. I know you're supposed to use shaving cream and glue, and you make it like the same way as always. Look at this, I got slime everywhere. Making slime is no joke. So now what I want to do is grab this one here, and using our blue purpley glue, we're gonna go ahead and just undo the cap, and we're gonna pour that right in there. All right, so we're gonna pour all that glue in there. So we're gonna leave that right there like that. Here's our glue. Definitely looks more purple than blue. And now what I read is you're supposed to add 1.5 more shaving cream than glue. So I think this is open already. Oh, there we go. And then, so we're just gonna, whoa! Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it's gonna smell so yummy. All right, so we're gonna mix this up together. So, whoa, it's turning like this light lavendery color. It definitely smells really, really good. So I think I added more than enough shaving cream. I really have no clue. I'm trying to see, so you could still see that there's clumps of glue down there. So we want to make sure we mix this very, very well. I think that's good. I think that's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and just use the activator that we had left over from the last pack, and we're just gonna add a bit of that, and we're gonna start mixing it to, oh, it's actually clumping. Oh my gosh, it's clumping. So I also bought this at the 99-cent store. So if this succeeds, then that means we made fluffy slime for $2. That is so cool. Wow! It's actually working. I want to touch it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take a lot. This is gonna be an arm workout. So I don't want to get like the slime all over my engagement ring, so I decided to take it off. Okay, I'm gonna try. I said I wasn't gonna stop mixing early this time, but I think I have to. Oh, this feels like a cloud. Now I know why people love fluffy slime so much. Comment down below what your favorite slime is. It feels like a cloud, like legit. Oh my gosh, I've just made a mess. How am I gonna fix this? Oh no! Oh no! I'm the worst person when it comes to experiments. Look at this. This is honestly the best slime I've ever made. Wow! It's super stretchy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if this is what it's supposed to look like, but I'm gonna show you the difference in size between this and the other one. Look at my hands. Never do experiments with me. That's the rule. All right, so I've kind of mostly finished mixing that all together. Look at the size difference between the two. So like this one, you just get like this tiny bit of slime. And to be honest, I think with this one, I added too much activator because as you can see, it kind of just stays. I mean, it does kind of fall like slime should and stuff, but it's not as runny, I guess you can say. But this one right here is like, it's massive. It is so big. It's still not completely finished because I would use another container because all the shaving cream at the bottom stays there. I do have another one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a brand new one. I'm gonna mix this in a little bit more because the shaving cream that was in the bottom. But this one is definitely my favorite. It is super cloudy. It's like, this is what a cloud would feel like, honestly. So yes, I am so proud of this one. It's like a giant soft marshmallow. It's super lightweight. It's a lot stretchier than this one. But that could be because of the amount of activator that I added. So now the last test I wanted to do. So here we have our fluffy slime. Look, I still have it all over my hands. So here we have fluffy slime. Here we have just the regular slime. What I want to try to do now is I want to use regular, just plain glue and see if we can also make slime with it. Here's the best part about this slime so far is that, as you can see, I still have one completely unused activator. I haven't even opened this one up at all. I've literally just been using the one from the first one. So if this works out, the activator alone would be worth it, definitely. So this is not like the best quality glue because this is just like 99-cent store glue. So I kind of want to test it out, see if it's gonna work. This is a lot more glue than the rest of them. As you can see right here, it's kind of like a light cloudy color. It's not really clear glue, not solid white glue either. Let's go ahead and get that. All right, there we go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add some activator to this. And I'm not gonna use the spoon because it has all the shaving cream on it. I'm just gonna use this like plastic knife and see. All right, so this glue is a lot more runny, so I'm wondering if it's gonna work. See, you could already see it kind of just slamming around and stuff. So we're gonna mix that activator in there. So far, no clumping, nothing. It's just completely watery. So let's add some more activator. Come on, work. Oh yeah, it's starting to clump up. It's starting to kind of clump up a little bit. I feel like it needs something that's going to make it clump up a little bit more. Maybe, I know I could add some baking soda, but I'm scared because in the past when I've tried to make slime with baking soda, it never really goes well. All right, so it doesn't look like it's, no, it's just, it kind of is, but this is just so runny. So that's not really working. I'm gonna add the rest of this activator and see if it works. If it doesn't, I might go grab some baking soda and see if that makes a difference. No, see, this isn't doing anything right now. Nothing at all. It's just still super, super running. So I have some baking soda. I really don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. It's going to help hopefully clump it up together. So far, it's not really doing much. No, see, I don't really feel, all it's doing is making the baking soda get foamy. Oh my gosh! Look, the more I mix it, the more foamy it gets. I personally think that glue was just too watery. So I do have a bit of Elmer's glue, which I might try and see if that makes a difference because this has just turned into weird foam that's not, it's not even glue anymore. I don't even know what that is. That was a fail. It's not a ZaiLetsPlay slime DIY if we don't have at least one failed attempt at something. So I have my little container here. Let's try the glue on that one and see if it makes a difference. Hopefully it does. If not, maybe the activator only works with the glue that they give you, which will be quite interesting. So here we go. I have this. I'm gonna have to open my new activator. I'm gonna cut that off very carefully. There we go. And now here we have the glue. We're gonna go ahead and just put a little bit. Fingers crossed. Let's use our knife with the failed baking soda attempt. Oh, it's definitely working. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working! So it was definitely the glue. I think the glue was just not very good. So maybe if you're willing to buy better glue or maybe a different glue, definitely not this one. This one is just way too watery, but this is working. I didn't use a lot, of course, but it's definitely working. So here we have the slime made with the Elmer's glue. I think if you like slime that has a more like solidified consistency, this will work for you. If you like it to be a bit more runny, like where you place it on the table and it just starts to glue all everywhere, then maybe add less activator, or maybe this activator is not the best for that. I'm not really sure. But here it is with Elmer's glue. Here's the failed attempt one. It just didn't work with the other glue. So it seems to work with Elmer's glue. This activator is made with sodium. It tells you right there, that word I cannot pronounce, but it has that in it. So we still have a whole bunch of it left over. Here is our fluffy slime, which was definitely my favorite. And you know what? The longer you let it sit, it's like it gets more fluffy. And I love this. Like, this is definitely my favorite. I think if you want to make fluffy slime, the 99-cent store will definitely work for you. It has a really nice color. You could buy everything you need there. And yes. Alrighty guys, but that is it for this slime DIY. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite slime is. I think after today, it is definitely good old fluffy slime. So here's my favorite one, which came out into like this pretty lavendery color. And then of course we have our green slime over here, which is like this neon green and stuff. And I think the only difference I would make if I did this again is I would definitely use less activator, because as you can see, this one's a lot stretchier and stuff. This one, as it dries, it's starting to get harder and harder, which is not what you want in slime, but that was definitely my fault. So now the name of this slime kit is Sliming Around. So I obviously don't know if all 99-cent stores have these. My local one did, and usually they carry around the same things, so they should have it. Overall, my final verdict is definitely that I think it is worth it. It's an inexpensive way to make slime, especially if you don't want to like make your own activator. You don't want to mess with like bowl racks and all of that stuff. The activator already comes in a nice little container for you, and you can use it to make more than just the little bottle of glue that they give you. And as you can see, you can make other slimes with it. So once again, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite slime is. And let me know as well if you would like me to do more slime DIYs, or if there's other slime kits you would like me to test out. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys had fun watching. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.